Welcome to the Mexican Day of the Dead. Halloween is nearly upon us, so we thought we'd celebrate in the Mexican Day of the Dead theme by painting up Homer, our Superland banana. Back in 2008, Liverpool was voted European Capital of Culture, and we inherited 70 Superland bananas. 70 individual artists were selected to carefully design and paint each sculpture to represent the culture around Merseyside. The Superland bananas were a huge success when they were situated all around the city for over 12 months before they were auctioned off for charity. I was lucky enough to win one of the auctions and purchase Homer. Homer was designed as a builder to represent the huge amount of investment that went into the Liverpool city centre throughout the culture year. Now, my cousin Stephen Maddock, who works in our production team, happens to be quite a good artist too. He took on the challenge to redesign and paint Homer in the style of the Mexican Day of the Dead festival, all in preparation for the Halloween weekend. The Day of the Dead Festival, which was originally founded in Mexico, is a joyful time that helps people remember and celebrate the memory of their departed loved ones. For the past 5 years, the festival has come to the city of Liverpool, featuring incredible performers, musicians and acrobats to deliver an experience like no other over the Halloween period. Now, we hope this theme hasn't spooked you too much and you continue to follow Mr. and Mrs. DIY. Of course, we are looking for further ideas in the future, so we'd love to hear from you. We hope you've enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!